Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to dispute a charge on your TD Bank credit card. So to dispute a charge on your TD Bank credit card, you just have to follow these steps. So first of all, in order to dispute the transaction is related to your purchase you've made with your TD card. You could go ahead and submit a dispute. It must be a purchase made with your TD credit card. And if you find a transaction on your statement that's from a merchant you haven't transacted with, then the charge could be fraudulent. If you suspect the transaction is fraudulent and it has posted to your account, you need to contact the support team immediately. Likewise, you could also attempt to resolve with the merchant prior to initiating a dispute. At the same time, you could submit a transaction dispute request within the appropriate time frame. Or else, if nothing seems to be working out, then you could just visit the branch, let them know about it, and you need to make sure that you have the evidence such as the telephone call and then the records, your statement history, all of that. And with that, you should be able to solve or dispute a transaction. That is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.